Oh, das ist besser. Oh, that's the beauty of this place. Pool at your disposal. Good evening, folks. Just taking a stroll along this apparently national park area. So it's got a bit of a town area and some sort of national park. Unfortunately, we were supposed to try and catch the sunset. The only problem is it's kind of gone. It doesn't really exist anymore. I mean, it's gone. So I think we got the timings a bit wrong. So we missed that, but we're still gonna have a little walk, see the views, see what this little place has to offer. So that's how I did. Go ahead. A bit of a hustle and bustle on these streets. Very busy road. Airport's only just down there, so it's a busy road. We are crossing a road in Thailand.
Stay close. Sorry.
Quite a big market then, yeah. That's a lot of shoes. Yeah. Good. Oh yeah. Very good. So I've decided to have a little quick pit stop. Some sort of restaurant. Looks good, looks fun. So, yeah. Popcorn cup. Yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's a spice.
Yeah, that's the mild one. Well, they just gave us the same ones, didn't they?
Ah, good. Oh, it's spicy though.
That's yummy.
Yeah, that definitely hits the back of the throat. Oh my gosh.
Isn't it?
Ah, woo! That is good. Yeah. Chicken. Oh, it's just definitely a nose running experience. Ah, it's wonderful. It just feels like it's not ending. Oh, mate. Oh. Oh. How's yours, Hannah? How's yours, James? Yeah. Ah, popcorn cup. There we go.
Keep turning it.
I'm the director.
I'm Steven Spielberg.
Ow!
George Lucas. He's Harrison Ford. There you are. He's the producer. No, she's the executive.
Jana Hatch. High five. Yes. High five. Good it. I love people here. Say hi.
สวัสดีค่ะ
Hi.
Hey, here we go. Sawadee.